what is that? Yeah. I don't care. That's not your mom. You call my mom. You just call your mom by yourself. When our mom comes back and says, Mom, Harmon said, shut up! That's not I say. That's not I say.
Shouting lang.
I heard you said it. Because I like Mira and Rumi.
Who's Mira?
Ako si Mira and Rumi and Zoe. Uy, Monen, you can't be everything. Ako Rumi. Mira's older than Rumi and Rumi's older than Zoe. Chico is Zoe's small.
Hindi matulog ang isa ba? Sabaan.
And also, Rumi is medium, then Mira's bigger.
Classmate niyo sa Stratford?
Mira's the oldest. No, the Mira. Yeah, because Mira's the oldest.
Uncle Bart, bye-bye!
Bye, Uncle Bart! Wala! I want to see him in the
Grabe
window.
talaga si Kuya Parts, mamangukod yun. Lagi.
I forgot to bring my colors.
Oh, din sa polisiyan. Uncle Parts.
Ito sa Bulugan.
I see Uncle Bart. Can we go to him and say bye?
Oo, eh, faster ka siya.
Ayaw, lagi pa
Because he's on a
mura.
boda. That's why. Boda is faster than a car.
Talak ang mga balay.
Opo.
Susi ato.
I'm gonna do like this.
Payo, Ning.
Ay, lagsig dito. Ano kas? Puyo naman siya.
Guys, I have a Minecraft clothes. I have Spider-Man
We
clothes.
will get
guys.
faster kay nag-mango shake si Madam Bebe.
Mango shake.
Tita Georgie, nag-mango shake siya. Who wants mango shake?
Me!
Wow! Me also, I want. Let's go!
This one. Tita Bart, wait for us! Tita Bart, wait for us! He already is
Faster.
far away.
Uncle Parts, you up. Good night. Your bum is poop.
Like a airplane. We're catching up with him. We're catching up. Oh my god, this is like a worm.
Worm what? Worm.
There in the up with the clouds.
The mountain. There.
Come on, we're almost there. Uncle Parts. Uncle Parts, wait for us. Uncle Parts, wait for us. Want to be always the first one? Why he go to us? Because he's doing. Last time I go in his boda, then I go home. I ride his boda. I drive it. I was going so fast. Yeah. Right there? Yeah, I ride it every time. Oh my god, the clouds will be broken. When I go to school, he let me. Then the clouds get you. We're catching up with him. Let's go. Let's
Yeah.
go, Grim Grim.
Love you, Mayumi. Love you, Mayumi. I love you, Mayumi.
I am not
Ay,
Mayumi. We're catching up with
sa
him.
boda.
We're catching up with him. You cannot pass us because we're so faster than you. Oh no. Rock a body. Come on. Rock that body. Rock that body. We're going so rock fast. That body.
What is the
Rock that
duck
body.
say?
Rock. Pum. Rock a body. Rock a body. Meow.
What is the dog say? What is the
Bum.
tiger
Bala.
say?
Roar!
What is the Mayumi say?
Meow.
Gaga.
So cute.
Ay. Be careful.
Sorry, Dobby. We're catching her following you.
Palay ka.
Butut be a man. Say Mayumi is butut be a man.
He's faster
Hit
than
the
us.
gas. Left.
You're driving. I'm driving too. Yeah. I got it. Now there's two driving people. Now that's three driving people. This
Wala
is
pa
so
pa ulit
crazy.
Sa boss, no?
Ah,
Si Kahil.
December pa to.
Si Kahil ang makadto lagi dire ay.
Are we going to the cemetery?
Magkarto ba?
No, we're not going to the
Madumagan ang mga
cemetery.
kon.
Are we going to the cemetery? I see the Oh, that's not a cemetery. That's Money's house. I forgot.
What is the cat say?
Meow meow meow. Harmon's house. Meow 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 meow. Harmon, I can see your house. Morning, bum bum bum. Harmon, when the dog up to the lilies, the lilies to the Harmon, your house. Bum bum bum. And then grapes. Guys, you know we just late. It's all fresh and all from it. Well, you go. Okay, no. Then all the way, wow wow. The very next day, bum 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 bum. When the dog walks up to the instead of push it.
Cut back.
No, it's cool and fresh and hot.
So, drive?
Ga-drive siya.
Nasa tubangan mo.
Come back, no. Then walk away, wow wow. Then walk away,
drive ba na si
wow wow.
boss?
Till the very next day, bum 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 bum. When the dog walked up to
Dami-dami na
we
yun.
said, hey, bum bum bum. What's the Harmon's house? What? You know, it's a socks. Oh, my God. Adios. And you all the way, wow, wow. All the way, wow, wow. And you all the way, wow, wow. Till the very next day, bum 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 bum. When I walked out, that's what I said. I said to them, what's in there? No, there. You're there? That's the man said, hey! Oh, this is good, huh? Oh, yeah, that was almost.
Ayaw to ka boss Jim, may manak dura ka
You know,
baby.
it's too close. Adios.
Si Champagne na.
The baby of champagne is ano, walk na. Oh, they're small but they can see. They can open their eyes. Where the Harmon? Here?
Open ka.
Beep! 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 Press the beep. Hi.
No, open na.
Open na. Like, is that Pika? Oh my God.
Of course.
You know it can be. Where's the baby? The baby jumping is in the goat house. Oh, the goat house. What about the...
Let's go! Mango shake!
There's no more mango shake.
Na, oy, Georgie.
Mango shake.
Wait.
I want to. You're so old.
Sa puso ko itong aminin, hindi talay. Wag ka lang mawali sa akin, masakit man kung isipin na ako ay nanghirap. Basta di na siya makuha na lang ipaisip. At kahit hindi ko tama, ako ay sumugal. Kahit ako ang mahal, iba-ibang mahal. Ibigay ko ang lahat kahit na. Pag-ibig ng iba ngayon, ako'y nangyayari. Ngayon mayroong iba, kahit di na ba ang ginagawa. Basta tayo.
Sa siya padulong. Ina, dire lang siya, Biong.
Silin ako mo balik ni mo di na. Di na. Pinapusta ini ko man ako rin mo hangin kung di mo usbad kung di ko pasalik nang babalikin tausap kay Wapa sa tubig niya kanus ako mulimuan ngunit kakunin kong mag ang banay kakauy kakapoy uroy magsige na lang ko pali-pali kalipig kamay na ko masakit ibisyo kung magkaatik minsan ikaw rin ipamita silin ako bumalik ni mo di na ako magubog matulog ako sa'yo ikaw undang na po ang ibang sigarilyo Huy, wakong ikapoy balik-balik kalibig kamay na kung magsakit na bisyo kung magkaadik isa rin ikaw rin ipangita minamuman Huy, kakapuy-uroy magsige na lang kung balik-balik kalibig kamay na kung magsakit through the coldest night, through the rain, the storm, when friends turn back to on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. Wala palon. Palon ng inuaw, pagkakaroon ka na daot sa salugay at lang. Springs, subalit mo'y nagkapasli, paligayin mo ako, talagang nakaka-springs. So don't tell me bye-bye, don't tell me lie. Bakit mo ako laging dinideny all the good outside? Wala mo lang yung recognition, mahimala yung attention. You're every day, but di ba yung text? And I want to nahuli kita pero nagkakasex. Mas gusto kita at ang mas mag-crucify. Isa lang ang magawa ko, stupefy. So don't be mad, so don't be sad. Lahat ng mga ko ilalakad. Stupid! So was an easy journey. Stupid! Precious the morning air. Stupid! Love by you. I have found in you. Buhay ko ay nag-iba simula nang makilala ka. Every hour, every minute, nais ka makita. Tapos di kumain, makausap lang sa phone. Between you and me, between you and the front. No one else comes close, pangako sa isa't isa. Ngunit napatunayan mo ba na balikan ka niya? Pinagtapat sa akin na siya'y mahal pa rin. Anong magagawa kung di ikaw ay palayain? Halos sisumpa sa sakit na naitulog. Pero bakit ang katulad mo di pa rin malimot? Nagmahal ako ng iba pero ako'y bigo. Sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo ako ay pinanggo. Tumingin sa salamin na alaala makalipas. Masakit man lang magiging masakit butas. Pero bakit lahat pinagpatapat kita? Bakit ka sa sariyos vendetta? Stupid! Soft as an easy chair. Stupid! Sana nabahal to ang tagpong ito. Minahal kita pero ako'y ginago mo. And it took a long time bago ka makarecover. Sa ginawa mo sa akin ngayon ako ayan hangover. Alala pa ba? Tayo pa? Asa kasama ka? Saan naman ako mapunta? Pinagsilbihan kita mula ulo hanggang paa. Pati ang brat, pati mo. Ako ang ilalaba. Pinukonsilbi ka ko pero yung mali. O nanaw na sinay. Tama ka na malaki. Lahat na lang ng binigay ko sa iyo. Naging sunod-sunuran ako ng parang aso. Maaga ka kong ibigay ng napaka-stupido ng puso ko rito. Ano ba ang nailagat ako ay ginanto? Inaway mo ako, iyong itinaboy. At sa ibang boy, nanipaglaro ka ng apoy. Ako'y nananagoy, puso ko'y nabiyak. Wasak ang puso ni Christina. Inaamin ko noon na minahal na kita. Pero ngayon, binabawi ko na. Stupid love, so uneasy. Stupid love, precious the morning air. Stupid love. Kau patagwani. Ano ay po sa JC ha?